All right, so what I've done here is I've clamped on these to the pieces, and I've set them flat. Now you notice the edges aren't really tinned, and that's okay, because otherwise it could give me kind of not a flat surface. These are nice and flat, and what I want to do is I want to bring the camera over here. Get that so it doesn't overlap, but I want the inside edges to touch, because we're going to put a bead of solder in that crack or in that groove right there. All right. Now what I want to do is just tack the top here. Make sure you flux it first before you proceed. Okay. Just want to put that together a little bit there. There we go. And that's just enough so it stays together. And then I want to do the same thing here, and I can use these clamps to make sure it doesn't widen. Again, a little more flux. I want to get one in the middle and then one near the bottom. All right. You're going to want to do the same with the other two sides. You're going to tack the top, the middle, and the bottom, or near the bottom, so you'll have two-sided parts. Then you'll tack those together. Okay, so now we have the front right and the back left. Now we're going to want to fit these together to tack the top on both sides. Please be careful not to burn yourself. You can use the clamps as a backstop to hold your piece against while you press on the other side. Once you finish tacking that other top, go ahead and turn it on its side so you can tack the middle and close to the bottom on each groove. Okay, so I've got everything tacked together. Now I want to fill in these gaps. So again, I'll use my clamps and go ahead and start beading along here. I should still have enough flux. All I want to do is fill in the holes. I'm not looking for a raised bead on this one because the bead's actually on the inside. It's going down in. All right, so what I've done is I've beaded this whole thing. It's probably difficult to see in this light. It's not a raised bead because it goes in. It's flush. Okay?